Tired of your common stock transactions feeling like a complicated puzzle in Peachtree? Let's break it down. First, we need to set up the correct accounts. Go to your chart accounts. If you don't already have them, create new accounts. Under the equity section, you'll need a common stock account, and if you plan to track retained earnings separately, a retained earnings account, make sure to select equity as the account type for both. Now, let's record the issuance of stock. Navigate to the tasks menu and select receive money. This is where we'll input the details of the stock sale. In the receive money window, enter the date of the stock issuance. In the receive from field, you can enter the investor's name, or simply use a general term like stock issuance. Then, in the account field, select your common stock account. Enter the amount of cash received for the stock issuance in the amount field, and in the description, note what the cash was for. Peachtree automatically creates a journal entry. Behind the scenes, the cash account will be debited, reflecting the increase in your company's cash, and the common stock account will be credited, representing the increase in equity. To track your equity investments, run a balance sheet report. This will show you the current balance of your common stock account, giving you a clear picture of your company's equity position. Regularly reviewing these reports ensures accuracy and helps you stay compliant with accounting standards. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily record and manage common stock transactions in Peachtree. Remember, if you have any questions, Peachtree's help menu is a great resource. Happy accounting!